Wait, I like it.
Hey. Ooh, sorry guys, hold on, let me fix my chair. Hey guys. Welcome to another Midnight Chronicle. I saw that y'all liked my last Midnight Chronicles where I was dressed as a monster, basically Voldemort. So I'm here to redeem myself. Now that it's Halloween season, I have it in me to act a fool. And it's my right to act a fool on my channel. So if you don't like it, get the I feel like I'm rambling. It's because I have so much energy right now. Let me just get started with the makeup so I don't like waste your time, you know? But basically what I'm doing today is we're recreating a Halloween look, obvi, but we're doing this leopard makeup. Do you see her? And we're gonna look exactly like that, but dark skin babe version, of course. Everything is dark skin edition over here, because duh! I'm so excited for this, because like me and my friend, every time when she asks me, hi Donna, love you, but every time when Donna asks me like, oh, what animal do you think you are? I always say a panther. And panthers are basically dark skinned leopards. And I'm doing a leopard. So I have to look exactly like, I just feel like this is like my spirit animal, and I have to get it right. Okay, let's get started. First off, I shaved my brows, so let me show you what my brows look like right now. This is so crazy, we're bonding. I'm being so vulnerable to y'all. It's so insane, oh my god. Like, what creator do you know that shows you their flaws like this? I'm just kidding, it's not my flaw, I literally did this on purpose. But anyways, I shaved my brows because I feel like it's much better to do a makeup look when my brows are shaved, because there's nothing like dictating where my brows should be, feel me? So these are gonna be so easy to hide, so I'm so excited. And yeah, let's start with concealing this first, okay? We're gonna use the cheap concealer for this because I'm not wasting my money. Not wasting my money. No, I'm mad. Duh, I forgot to do my fucking TikTok transition. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so glad I chose the cheap one. I'm sorry. I'm redoing it. Are you dumb? I already look a little spooky, so they know where the fucking vibe's going, but it's okay. It's like whatever you do, don't fall asleep. And then you transition into like whatever monster you chose to be that time. So asleep. Fall asleep. I need to know like a specific part. I think I need to take this out. No, I did it the opposite way. I'm actually that was mid as fuck, but let's just keep it in the draft just in case. Don't fall. Come on now.
Whatever you do, don't fall asleep. Whatever you do, don't fall asleep.
Oh, I wasn't close to the camera. Go. Boy, you know this ass super fat. I feel like I eat so much with just no brows. Don't you think? Okay, I feel like it's drying right now. A little bit. No, it's not. Literally, my fingers are stained. I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation. I was gonna do the cheaper one, but this one gets darker when it oxidizes. And I feel like I need that for my brows. It's okay. Oh, love song. Music chose me, just know this, I know this. I did low key, but I never low key. Sexy ladies, come my feet slowly. It was the best idea. She's gone! Kind of. Like, obviously if you look close you can see it, but like, it's very concealed. Okay, I need, guys, like, I need my eyes to be like a cat. Like, I need to be like a cat, like this, but like, obviously accentuated. Okay, so should I do the powder before or after? I think I'm gonna start with the eyes. Like, I'm gonna do the features first, and then do the powder, and then do like the leopard marks around. Yeah, I think that sounds like a good idea. Wait, what did I say again? I made it longer. Like, this looks like a cat, like. Oh my god, guys, you don't get it. Okay, just bear with me, okay? It's gonna get darker. Just bear with me. I'm gonna do my concealer, contour a little bit, and then try to finish up a little bit, and then we're gonna do the decoration part together, okay? Let's play the music now. Never in my life started with my chin, ever. Odd. Darken my eyes, give myself like the lips and everything, and then I'll be back. I'll be using my favorite palette, James Charles Morphe palette, for everything. Cue the music.
I'm the fucking man, y'all don't get it, do ya? Type of money, everybody acting like they know ya. Go uptown, New York City, bitch. Some Spanish girls love me like I'm on Buddha. Tell Uncle Luke I'm out in Miami too. Clubbing hard, fucking women, they ain't much to do. Wrist blank, got a condo up on Biscayne. Still getting brain from a thing, ain't shit changed. How you feel, how you feel, how you feel? 25 sitting on 25 mil, I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Rest in peace, Mac Gray, I'ma do it for the pay, okay? Getting paid, we'll holler whenever that stop. My team good, we don't really need a mascot. Tell Tune Light One, pass it like a relay. YMCMB, you niggas want YMCA.
I know, it's a big vibe, but the girls them know. Steadily, steadily, heavily. I'm happy, I know, I know.
Guys, I think I might put lashes on just so I can like accentuate my eyes a little more. I feel like, do you see the difference now? I love this. She did a little like black by her, like for her brows, but I don't think I should. Should I? Let's see what it would look like if I did. No, I don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sleek my hair back, and then I'll be back. I'm not gonna lie, I ate so bad, and you can't tell me otherwise. I ate so motherfucking bad. Are you dumb? I have something to show you.
What?
Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, some dumb TikTok trend. You hate your face.
What animal do you think what my spirit animal is?
Hey, Hermella, you did this Halloween one year? If you're a lion?
Don't tell me I didn't eat this up. Did I not eat this up?
Wait, I like it.
Right? It's giving like, yeah, it's giving cat.
Wait, I'm actually shocked.
Exactly. Don't ever play with me. I put the little
wait, I'm
shirt.
genuinely shocked. You need to conceal your eyebrows. Like,
I already did, but it's still showing.
I actually like it.
Thanks. Becca
I
approves.
thought you were gonna be a cat.
Say you approve.
I approve. Way better than last one. We all know what that was.
Don't like it.
Whatever you do, don't.
Alrighty guys. I fear the time has come where I have to take this makeup off. this beautiful makeup off. I'm so mad. If I could just sleep like this until October 31st and then I could just take it off. Actually, let me shut up. Let me shut up. I love this look. Did we not grow from last week's look? We sure did. Like this eats a lot. I'm not gonna lie, if I do anything for Halloween, I might really actually wear this, but I'm probably not celebrating Halloween, or probably not like gonna go out for Halloween. So I'm just giving y'all this tip. And also I put my hair up because I feel like this slick bun gives like cat. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you like this video, if you watch this video till the end, drop the alien emoji because I want to know who the real ones are so I can give you a fat ass kiss. Okay, yeah, toodles. Mwah. Mwah.